Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our previous classes on SS1 mathematics, where we're looking at sets. Under set, we are looking at the Venn diagram. We have done so many on sets. We have looked at types of sets. We have defined sets. We have looked at the operations of set. And at the last class, we looked at classification involving two sets problems. In today's class, we shall be looking at classification involving three sets, where we have subset A, B, and C being in the universal set. So this is said to be a universal set. In the three subset problems, this can be classified into 8 regions. We have region 1, which is said to be the intersection of set A, B, and C, and region 1 can be represented or denoted using set notation as A intersection B intersection C. This means that A is a region where you have all the three sets in play. So this particular region is said to be region 1, and it can be represented as A intersection B intersection C. While region 2 is said to be a region, this region is said to be the intersection or contains elements that you can find only in A and C, but not in B. So this can be represented as A intersection B prime intersection C. B prime in the sense that it cannot be found in B, but rather it can be found only in A and C. While region 3 is said to be a region that contains elements that can only be found in A and B, and so therefore this can be written as A intersection B intersection C prime. Of course, you know the reason why C is primed, simply because those elements can be found only in A and B. While region 4, if you have been following the trend, you should be able to join me in region 4. Region 4 is said to be a region that contains elements found only in B and C. And so therefore, this can be written as A prime intersection B intersection C. A complement simply means it cannot be found in region A, while region 5 is said to contain elements that can only be found in A. Elements that can only be found in A can be written as A intersection B prime intersection C prime, meaning they can only be found in A, while region 6 contains elements that can only be found in region B. This can be written as A prime intersection B intersection C prime, while region 7 contains elements that you can find only in region C. This can also be written as A prime intersection B prime intersection C. And region 8 is said to contain elements that cannot be found either in A, B, or C, but is said to be contained in the universal set. And this can be written as bracket A union B union C, or primed. Or this can be written as A prime intersection B prime intersection C prime. So these are ways you can classify sets under set classification under a 3 subset problem. So these are the ways you can classify it. Also, in order for us to use this in solving problems, we should also note that the universal set, which is said to be the set that contains all the subsets, This can be expressed as the sum of region 1 to region 8, meaning universal set is said to be equal to sum of region 1 plus region 2 plus region 3 plus region 4 plus region 5 plus region 6 plus region 7 and plus region 8. So with this equation, you can be able to find every regions in a set. Note, in most of the set problems, for you to represent a problem using a Venn diagram, you are to note the regions and elements that can be found in each of these regions. Note that region 1 is said to contain elements that can be found only in region A, B, and C. Only, meaning they are only in these three. And you should be careful not to double count some of these elements. For example, elements found in region 1 should not be considered when you are looking for elements in region 5. Because elements in region 5 is said to be those elements you can find only in A. So your ability to be able to differentiate between these regions enables you to represent a problem using the Venn diagram, and at the end being able to solve such problems. Kindly like my videos as you watch. Well, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at my lesson teacher Maths. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. Well, I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. We shall now take example on classification of sets.